Madam Speaker. The former Prime Minister resigned from office on 23 January 2017, and his resignation was accepted by the President of the Republic on the same day. Thereafter, the President, acting in her own deliberate judgment under Section 59 of the Constitution, appointed Honourable Pravind Jugnauth as Prime Minister with effect from that same date. In this connection, a communiqué was issued by the State House. There was therefore no need to seek legal advice when the former Prime Minister resigned and the current Prime Minister was appointed.
Madam Speaker, it is clear that we all know the facts as reported by the Honourable Acting Prime Minister. There is confusion with regards to Section 63, paragraph 3 of the Constitution in line with Section 59 of the Constitution, and this has been reported in the press. I have heard him say that there was no need to take legal advice. So can he therefore confirm at no time was this legal advice taken before the decision of the former Prime Minister to resign and before the appointment of the new Prime Minister who is now absent, whom he is replacing? Can he therefore confirm that no advice was taken on those two separate occasions?
I have made it clear, Madam Speaker, and I can only repeat what I said. There was no need to seek legal advice. That means that no legal advice was sought.
On the same particular issue, this particular matter of transferring power from Sir Aneerood Jugnauth, the former Prime Minister, to the actual Prime Minister, came as a surprise to everyone, the nation at large. This was never discussed during the electoral campaign. Could he please confirm whether this was discussed among the allies of the then Alliance Le Peuple before the elections, and whether it formed part of the political manifesto and announced to the people before the elections?
I'm afraid I don't consider that this arises from the question.
Speaker, it's for you to decide whether it arises or not for him.
Honourable Shakeel Mohamed, as you well know, you've been in this August Assembly for years, and you know that the Speaker has no control over the reply of a minister.
The actual acting Prime Minister, he will recall, Madam Speaker, when his own party was launched, and I recall a press article in those days in June sometime of 2014, where one of the elements of the political manifesto of his party, Mouvement Libérateur, was precisely Freedom of Information Act. How, therefore, does he reconcile the whole idea of him embracing the freedom of information as leader of Mouvement Libérateur at the creation and launch of his party? How does he reconcile that stance with the stance that he's taking today, which is refusing to answer the question, hiding behind the fact that he chooses what to answer?